Oh, look, CERN is advertising the correct atomic model, but they aren't saying what it is or explaining it. What is that black bubble in the middle of their advertisement? Let's take a look at what the late great, legendary, super genius Max Planck had to say about it. It turns out he calls atoms black bodies because he theorized that's what they look like. And it turns out that that's what they look like. They don't look anything like this model, which, by the way, hasn't answered anything, nor does it express any type of functionality, nor purpose. How it comes together is still a mystery. So what are these black bodies? There is a mysterious text that discusses the nature of the universe in 7 sentences. Principle 3 is of particular interest. It states all things have polarity. All things have their opposite and their extremes meet. So what is the opposite of outward moving light? It would be inward moving dark energy. And there you have a definition for dark energy. It's light's opposite. And of course it would be very difficult to detect because it doesn't carry heat nor light, and it moves inward on itself. It is dark. Principle 7 of this text states that all things are masculine and feminine, and this exists on all levels. Light moves outward. All males have an outward property. Dark energy moves inward. All females have an inward property. Then you start to understand the reason they come together is the same reason that all life comes together. That attraction between masculine and feminine is the same attraction in energy. It's a little more complicated for us humans, but with energy, it would be simple, and it should be because it is the foundation for our reality. I'd like to think of this as a continuation of Max Planck's great work on atoms. And there we have an explanation for a black body. So why do atoms vibrate? Because the outward nucleus is continuously pushing outward. It works just like sex organs. Energy is not positive and negative. Energy is masculine and feminine. Negative is an irrational concept applied to reality, and that's where they started going wrong. It turns out that energy has gender. I kid you not, I'm not lying or making this up. I just happen to recognize it by observation. And these 7 principles and comparing it to what we think we know.